Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai from Malayala. So in my previous video, I have explained you how to fill the registration form for the new candidates and also for those students who have applied for February and didn't apply for March, April, May. So for them also I have explained how to register and how to fill the form and how to change the application form and all. So coming to this video, in this video I am going to show you and I am going to explain you about display of question paper and key answer key challenge for February 2021 session. Nothing but how to check your score with the official answer key and how to check your response sheet. So click this. So after clicking this, you will be given two options for logging in through application number and password, through application number and date of birth. So I am logging in with application number and password. So enter the below given security pin, which is a case sensitive security pin. So after entering everything, click sign in. So once you sign in, you can see this interface, and I think most of you already know about this. So if you click this download confirmation page, it will download your application form. So now coming to the main topic of this video. So you can check your question paper here. So for your slot, there is different question. For each and every slot, there will be different question, right? And also the question numbers will be jumbled here and the questions will be jumbled here and right. So whatever question paper order which you have given in the exam, so that will be shown here. So you can take the printout of this question paper like this. If you click print and save as PDF, if you save this, so this will be downloaded as a PDF. So you have to save like this. So if you scroll here, you can see this is a question. So this is a MCQ type question and the question ID is 91. So note down this 91, okay? And as he is not answered this question, so no chosen option is nothing, right? So he didn't choose any option, so that's why it is like a blank. So for this question, for example, let me show. The question ID is 97 and the option he chose is second option. Second option ID is 53. So now take a paper and note down for 97 question you have chosen 53 option, okay? So like this, you note down each and every. So here one more question, fifth question. So for this 98 question, he have answered 57. So note down each and every option which you have chosen, question ID and option ID. So last two digits are more than enough. So now what you have to do? So come back. So remove that page and come here again. Come to here and you have to here just below view question paper. You can see view or challenge answer key. So click to view or challenge answer key. So if you click that. Here you can see subject, question type, question ID, correct options and options ID or for challenge. So for challenge I will explain later. So you can see here. So this is the question ID, right? So now I have noted down that question ID is 98 and 97. So 97, 98 I will search for 98 and 97 here. So let me search 98 and 97. So you can see 98, okay? So 98 option he chose 57. So but the option is 58. So that means he got wrong answer. For 97 question, he chose 53 option. 97, he chose 53, but the answer is 55. So that is also wrong answer. So in this way, you have to check each and every. This is the official answer key. So coming to challenging of answer keys. So for example, so this candidate, he got 98 option as 57. So, but the correct answer is 58, right? So here 57 is the question, but he is sure about his answer. So he is saying that the answer given by NTA is wrong. So 58 is wrong. My answer is correct. So that's why I want to challenge this answer. So he have to click this 57 option and he have to choose the file. So if he has the proper solution of that answer, so you can upload it as a PDF and then submit your claim and you have to pay the fees. So pay some fees. If that claim is correct, so they will repay your amount. So if that claim is wrong, they will not pay back your amount. So coming to integers also. So here answer is 64, but you know that answer is just 8. Okay. If you know that answer is 8, just type that answer here, upload that solution PDF here and then submit your claim and then pay the fee. And this is not mandatory actually. So uploading a solution is not mandatory. You can see in case the candidates want to submit documents in support of challenge of answer key, they should upload the PDF, but it is not mandatory. If in case you wanted to show them the correct solution, so you can upload or else nothing directly. So now I have chosen to write this one and this one. So if you see I click submit, or whether you want to submit, click cancel if you want to add more challenges. So I want to submit. If I click here, So it is showing like, see, pay the fee, that is 400. If those claims are correct, they will repay your back amount back. If the claims are wrong, so you will not get your amount back. So this is how you have to challenge. And so from here, view question paper, you can download your response sheet, means options which you choose in the exam can be seen here. From here, correct answers can be seen, and from here, note down the question paper ID and option ID which you choose. From here, verify with the option IDs and question IDs, and try to calculate your score. This is the official answer key. So if still you not registered for JEE Mains March, April, May, so do register. The deadline is March 6th. So hope you all love this video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Prepare well. All the best. Jai Hind.